For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
US President Donald Trump has vowed not to order Americans to wear masks to contain the spread of the virus. President Trump said he would not consider a national mandate on wearing masks. Trump said he wanted to give certain freedom to Americans and not force them to wear masks.
No, I want people to have a certain freedom and I don't believe in that. No, I don't agree with the statement that if everybody wears a mask, everything disappears.
Trump referred to US top infectious disease expert Dr. Anthony Fauci's earlier statement when he asked people not to wear masks. Trump, however, asserted that he is a believer for masks.
I don't agree with the statement that if everybody wears a mask, everything disappears. Dr. Fauci said don't wear a mask. A Surgeon General, terrific guy, said don't wear a mask. Everybody was saying don't wear a mask. All of a sudden, everybody's got to wear a mask, and as you know, masks cause problems too. With that being said, I am a believer in masks. I think masks are good.
In earlier days of the pandemic, public health officials asked people not to wear masks to save supplies for healthcare workers. Dr. Anthony Fauci too had asked people to avoid masks, but recently called upon Americans to wear masks in public in wake of increasing cases. Dr. Anthony Fauci said it was very important to wear face masks in public. The wearing of face coverings has become highly politicized in the US. A majority of state governors have made it mandatory to wear masks rather than leaving it as a public choice. US President Donald Trump, who was previously anti-mask, also donned a face mask last Saturday. For the first time, Trump wore a mask while visiting a military hospital outside Washington. After his visit, Trump said he was never against masks.
I have never been against masks, but I do believe they have a time and a place. I think when you are in a hospital, especially in that particular setting where you are talking to a lot of soldiers and people that in some cases just got off the operating tables, I think it's a great thing to wear a mask.
According to reports, Trump's aides almost begged him to wear a mask in public and let himself be photographed in it. Trump has made several U-turns, especially when it comes to masks. Only recently, Trump said, "I'm all for masks." However, earlier the US president neither wore a mask nor asked his people to wear one. Earlier this week, the US Center for Disease Control released a statement urging citizens to wear masks.
We are not defenseless against COVID-19. Cloth face coverings are one of the most powerful weapons we have to slow and stop the spread of the virus, particularly when used universally within a community setting.
US continues to lead world COVID-19 cases with over 37 lakh infections. US is the only country to have recorded more than 1 lakh fatalities, as the death toll stands at 1,40,103.